Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or to my mom's channel. She's eating some ice cream, and I got a squishy packaging. I cut off all this, so you guys won't see, but I'm gonna show you what I got. So, I opened up, I got a squishy packaging. So, it says Jenna Lynn Squishies and Accessories. Oh so kawaii. Oh so kawaii. So,
Spinner button. Look at this spinner button. How do you turn it off?
Mom, can you show them?
How do you turn it off?
Stop. Stop. Stop clear. Okay, so, yeah. So, hopefully this is not a bad squishy packaging. I've had lots of them that are horrible, so I had to send all of them back.
What does this light thing
So,
do,
first
Mom?
thing, I got a baby bottle.
What does this light thing do?
Hopefully the tip.
Turns on a light.
What?
Oh, that's really cool.
I don't know. But,
Oh, there's 3 different modes.
it's, it has a little defects right here.
Can I have a bowl?
If you can see.
How's the rest of that? There's not that much.
Only one cut right there, but it's really.
Just eat it out of there.
It smells so
You're gonna
good.
waste a cup.
Then I have, what is this called? It doesn't come with any keychains. The one that the thing comes out, but I didn't order that one. But I ordered a squishy. It's not that squishy, not that slow
Did the girls come
rising.
back in?
Yeah, oh, it fell. My arm. Next I have a really bad squishy. It's cut.
Really bad quality squish.
Yeah, and it's cut inside. It's cut, and then it has lots of defects inside. Let's see how squishy it is. Not that squishy, but that one's a little bad squishy. Then I have pineapple.
A pineapple pen?
No, pineapple, apple pen. Mm-mm. And then what? It's like a loose tooth. Look, it's like a loose tooth, and it's super squishy.
Like oatmeal.
Yeah, for tomorrow.
We'll try one more time.
Just soaked oatmeal.
With good squish. Look at that. Then I have a cat that has a tattoo on it.
26.
I don't know what happened. I should email the person. He sent me this,
What's that, Mom?
This is
which I should
flaxseed.
email
What's that?
Jonalyn because she.
It's a seed that's ground down that has protein.
I'm just
and
kidding. I shouldn't.
fiber.
No. I mean, as long as they're still
This is
squishy.
Carbon fiber.
But-
Mother's made out of carbon.
And this one
Really?
doesn't
Is it
wait.
Carbon fiber?
This one has little defects inside.
More made out of carbon fiber, though.
This right
That is
here,
true.
I didn't
Nice
know,
and
but
strong.
then
It's true.
this one is like a bun.
You know
but
the most
with a
expensive
little
car you could
face.
get with max upgrades?
Yep. Very
I think it
squishy.
is
Okay. The squishiest one here, I think.
a Bugatti.
The squishiest one is. Let's do a contest. Let's see the baby bottle and these. These are the closest. So let's get started. This and this. Let's see. Oh, I didn't squish it at the same time. I'm gonna let it slow rise up. Okay. One. Ah.
I think the bottle one.
Yeah, the bottle.
Why do you don't eat these?
Oh, because those are big bars. They're really good though.
These?
But I don't really eat them anymore.
Should I eat it then? Let's
Unicorn. Mom, you got a unicorn in the house. It's super squish.
Yes.
Yeah, you can make some slushies. Or you can make some healthy, what is it called? Healthy smoothies? Protein smoothies. This one's not really as planned as I thought. This bun that's yellow, and it has you can tell they took out the keychain, and you can tell they took out another keychain, and you can tell the owner didn't take really good care of these squishies. But I mean, they're really, really squishy. But this one was the worst yet. This one's like about to rip apart. Like it's kissing its own face.
Hey, Gigi? Is there some way I could get through here without getting seen?
I'll move the chair.
What do you mean, Roman? You can go this way. You're funny.
What?
Go this way.
Walk into the doorway?
Oh man, they won't see. Okay. Okay, so I brought that.
I'm gonna move this box for a second.
Roman.
So
Yeah.
look
Give
at
me the
that.
girls,
Look at that
rolls,
defect.
please.
Look at that huge
Rolls?
one.
Yeah.
Look at that.
What do you got?
Try squishing it. No, not a squishy.
Oh, you'll come over here. The other one's in there.
And this one is the.
Roman,
This one is the
that's
best quality
not
one.
cool.
What?
Are you getting it for me, or you're telling me where it's at?
Tell you where it's at.
That's not nice.
Sorry.
The squishiest spot. And it smells so good. The squishiest spot. It's right there. Where I think it's right there. Everything's really squishy. I don't know. Next thing is a mystery. My mom ordered it for me, but I don't really know what it is, so I'm gonna set you right there, cause I gotta get a different viewing. You know, gotta get a different viewing angle. So all these squishies, it fell. Okay, sorry about that. But yeah, I only ordered 6 of them. I thought I ordered 10 of them, but it was actually 6 of them. These are really bad. They're really bad. They have really bad defects. They're horrible, but I think I'll just send them back with everything else, because I haven't sent the Reborn doll yet. But Baby Spencer is going on outing with us tomorrow, and I'm gonna be showing you guys what we got for back to school. So I ripped off all the stuff, and here it is. So now I'm gonna show you what's inside the box. So I'm opening up the box, and then I first have some pens. I think I ordered this from Jenna Lynn. I don't know. Yeah, I did order this from Jenna Lynn, actually. Then I have some glue sticks. I actually have 12 glue sticks. Next, I have some handy dandy pencils. Then I have some Expo markers. What else did I get? Oh, there's another box, so I have to get the other box. So hopefully it doesn't really mess stuff up, but this one came in another box, but I'm just going to show you, because I ordered a lot of things from Jenna Lynn, because I went on her back to school shopping site, and I saw that she had a lot of stuff. So next thing I have,
Gigi, you know you can have a lot of stuff too to sell. You just gotta think about
yeah,
what it is.
I know. So next thing I have an orange folder. Another thing I have is what is this? It's not a folder. Look at this. It has like all these openings. Mom, how do you open this? display.
I don't know, baby.
They tricked me. Look. Doesn't it look like you open it from this side? But then you have to open it actually from this side. Wow. Then I have other back to school stuff, but we haven't went back to school shopping yet. I'm going back to Monday. But yeah. Yeah. Bye. Join us with Spencer's outing tomorrow, please. Bye, 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 bye.